Today, I'm going to share with you a video about some baby birds that hatched on our porch. So we didn't see the hatching. They were living right here in this pot. See? Hi, I'm Adrienne Brown, and I am the owner of the Practical Mindfulness Homeschool website. And on my website, I share all the adventures that we do with our children, and all the places we go, and all the creatures that we find. And also, I want to start doing that right here on YouTube. I'm doing that right here on YouTube. We love bugs, we love nature, we love gardening, we love it all. So make sure you come with us and follow us on the YouTube channel. We want you to enjoy what we make. Okay, see you soon.
My whistle.
They're not moving. The mom can't feed them more. I guess they might die. They look bigger than the mother.